visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, this is a general reading ha. You may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. And gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na if you find this video kahit medyo matagal-tagal na, no? This reading is meant to find you kasi timeless naman to, no? As long as nakaka-resonate kayo, the reading is for you. So, tingnan natin kung anong nangyayari sa paligid. Don't take 12, take 1 or 2. Take a shot. Siguro madami tayong mga naiisip, gustong gawin, marami tayong mga bagay na sabihin natin na sa listahan natin. It can be something that we would love to do with our person, would love to experience with our person, would love to ask, no? To make our connection a little more concrete, a little more, sabihin natin with a strong foundation. Pero sa dami kasi ng nangyayari, sa dami ng iniisip natin, I feel like medyo nahihirapan tayo. Alin ba dito ang uunahin ko, no? It can be marami din tayong mga bagay na sabihin kahit pansarili, no? Gustong gawin. Pero gusto natin gawin to all at the same time, no? Parang kung pwede ko bang i-clone yung sarili ko? Pwede bang nagtatrabaho ko ng 2 beses, no? Or nagtatrabaho ko at the same time, no? Ng same oras, like literal, sa magkaibang company, no? Or sana meron, parang yung 24 hours is hindi sapat para sa akin, no? It can be that you're very busy and you cannot, sabihin natin, you cannot balance, no? Your romantic, your social life, yung me time, and yung trabaho with the Page of Swords. Sa dami ng pwedeng nating gawin or pwedeng gawin ni person, it could be you, it could be your person ha, yung aking binabasahan. You can switch the energies naman because what I am reading is the dynamic, okay? So someone here may probably be losing the balance of giving time sa person niya, no? Sabihin natin so much focusing on job, career, money, business, no? And the star. Pero kasi, ang mahirap dito, feeling natin na sanay si person, no? We placed our person in a pedestal. And again, there's nothing wrong with loving the person, putting them, no, as yung una. It can be na pwedeng sabihin natin, you choose to be the background, you choose to be the anino, you choose to be the what? Support system, no? Kung baga sa relationship ng anak and magulang. So, I'm a stage parent, parang ganon. Lagi lang ako nag-cheer kay person. And again, there's nothing wrong with that, especially when you love the person. But then again, naging complacent may complacency nangyari dito because it felt like na naging trabaho na, no? Parang nagiging trabaho na yung ginagawa mo. Let's say, because this became a routine, lalo na doon sa mga nagsasama na, no, or mag-asawa na. Let's say, pag umaga, no, yan talaga ang iyong gawain, no, maghanda ng kakainin, mag-prepare ng kanyang damit, linisin ng bahay, mag-prepare ng kanyang hapunan, and then, on routine. The next morning, ganun naman, ganun na naman, ganun na naman. And I think that si person is nag-expect na it's okay for you, no, to do all those tasks, to do all those things wherein parang sinasabi mo, sandali, hindi sa nagrereklamo ako. Um, of course, gusto ko yung ginagawa ko, gusto ko yung pinagsisilbihan ka. Pero sana na-appreciate mo, no? Sana na-appreciate mo yung mga bagay na nagagawa ko. I'm not asking for too much. I don't want you to spend like every day, no, bumili ng bulaklak, to give it to me or pasalubong. It can be a simple kiss, a simple thank you, no? Minsan nakakapagtampo din yung mga bagay na you prepared a dinner could be, and then uuwi si person sasabihin, ay, busog na ako, no? With the Ace of Cups, again, hindi tayo sabihin natin may hinanakit, pero hindi ito galit, no? We're just expecting or somewhat praying that our person will do the same. Okay na kahit hindi na nga ako ipagluto, hindi na ako ipaglaba, no? Yung ma-appreciate man lang, no? But then again, ayoko naman maging sabihin, I'm becoming too mushy, baka I'm too emotional ako. So, what I'm doing in here is, I'm keeping everything to myself, no? And dahil mahal ko siya, siguro, I'm just crossing my fingers and probably my person will change, no? In time. With a Five of Pentacles and a Wheel of Fortune. Wow! Parang feeling ko gusto mong tumulong dito, either tumulong when it comes to raising funds. You might have a specific plan then, no, to build your own name, build your own business. Pero paano mo sasabihin yon? Or probably magtrabaho din, no? Pero paano mo sasabihin ngayon? Kasi things becomes a routine. Things becomes parang ito yung normal, no? Parang things will be shaken kapag naiba ito. Of course, no, kahit sabihin natin hindi tayo naghihikahos, hindi tayo gahol, no, sa pag, pag pag-iipon. Gusto mong meron ka rin ng sarili mo. Again, you're not asking for too much but also for understanding. It felt like meron dito mga nagmamadali naman na makalipat, no, ng bahay, siguro because of the environment. It can be yung kapitbahay, ayoko. It could be yung kasama ko sa bahay. It can be, I also want, somewhat i-elevate ang ating tahanan, no? Kung ito yung studio type, then probably I would love to have a bedroom, no? Kasi ang nangyayari dito with the Five of Pentacles, I would love to leave something, no, na pwedeng ginagawa ko kasi I have my priorities na. So, paano natin ngayon to sasabihin? With the Queen of Cups and the Three of Pentacles. May takot tayo no, na i-express ito kay person kasi parang feeling natin magdi-disagree si person. Parang feeling natin is hindi siya papayag or magagalit. Tayo ba sa sarili natin ang what I'm trying to say here is nagsisikil, no? Ikinukulong ba natin yung sarili natin? Kasi parang pinapangunahan natin yung mga bagay-bagay. Ah, bakit hindi mo na natin siguro i-ask, 'no? Kasi nangunguna dito yung takot. Um, is it because baka kasi ma-feel ni person na nagrereklamo ka because kailangan mo magtrabaho or kailangan mong may gawin, nabo-bore ka ba, hindi ba sapat yung sa ang daming questions, 'di ba? Hindi ba sapat yung mga binibigay niya or ginagawa niya? Well, with the Six of Wands and the Three of Swords, ah, I think that somewhat medyo nandito tayo sa part na hindi pa man natin ginagawa, napangunahan na tayo. Parang feeling natin nasasaktan si person kapag hindi ko na siya inaasikaso. So natatakot ako baka makahanap siya ng iba. I think that we are jumping into the rabbit hole of never-ending scenarios, no? Um, parang lumala na ng lumala kung ito'y sa lubsob lang, no? Ah, let's say nasa lubsob ka, naisip mo, ay baka hindi ako makakahugas ng pinggan, no? Baka magnana, pag nagnana to, pumunta sa utak ko yung nana, and then yung nana na yan, no? Bigla ako mag-collapse, mag 50-50 ako, baka sandali lang ako, no? And then, saan ako ibuburol, yung ganyan. Parang, we, masyado nating, hindi masamang magkaroon ng let's say ng plan A to Z, no? Pero parang ang layo na, no, doon sa realidad. Um, parang feeling ko ang may problem dito is us, no? Um, syempre gusto din natin talaga tumulong. But then again, masyadong madami tayong iniisip kaya we're holding back to do something. With the justice, marami tayong gustong gawin pero ayaw din nating gawin. Ang weird ng ganitong situation kasi with the justice in here, papayagan ka naman. Um, papayagan ka naman, no? Bibigay naman sa'yo yung gusto mo or somewhat magkakaroon kayo ng agreement dito ni person with the King of Wands and the King of Cups. I feel like masyadong natin na um, underestimate, no? Or it could be also overestimate itong si person. Napangunahan natin siya. I feel like magkakaroon talaga ng agreement as long as sana totoo yung sasabihin with the King of Wands. Kasi, of course, makakapagsalita si person na, "Oh, paano si ganito, paano si ganyan, paano yung gagawin natin sa ganito." Pero your person will be understanding. And I feel like your person is also wanting you to explore and parang to build your own either career, no? So, matutuwa naman siya doon in a way. Wag lang tayong parang feeling natin napapraning tayo dito dahil siguro ang pagkapraning natin, sino na mag-aalaga sa kanya? No, sino gagawa nito sa kanya? That is our main concern. Um, yun nga, parang babalik tayo din sa una. Gusto kong hatiin yung katawan ko habang nagtatrabaho, naalagaan ko rin siya. So, I think that medyo kausapin natin si person dito pag ganito yung sitwasyon, no? Para at least nababalansin natin. Para magkakaroon pa rin tayo ng quality time at hindi naman masama na magkaroon ka ng sarili mong pera, no? Or magkaroon ka ng sarili mong name or career, di ba? So, this is your reading. Kung nakaka-resonate po kayo, let me know sa comment section. Bago natin i-check ang zodiac sign ni person, no? Tignan natin I mean, kung you have some questions with this, sa description box po ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website, no? Nandun po yung form for you to ask a personal question. My name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check now the zodiac sign of your person. Again, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pisces, Leo, Libra, Gemini, I'm seeing Aries. I'm seeing Aquarius is very dominant. Scorpio is here. Taurus is here. I am seeing Virgo is here and Cancer. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.